Ayush, how are you?
I'm great.
You are great. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so can you see my screen? Yeah, I can. Okay, so today we will be starting with the topic geometry. Do you know what geometry is?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Do you know different kind of shapes?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me which all shapes you know?
Circle, triangle, square, rectangle, cuboid,
Hmm.
cube,
Hmm.
cylinder.
Oh, you are also aware about cylinders. Very good. Okay. So when we study about all these shapes, no, this is studying these shapes is known as geometry. What is known as?
Geometry.
Geometry.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now can you tell me? Okay. You said you know rectangle and square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
These two are different shapes.
Yes.
What's difference in them? What's the difference?
The triangle has 3 sides and the square has 4 sides.
And what about rectangle?
Rectangle also has 4 sides, but it doesn't have equal shapes.
Equal sides.
Sides.
So how many sides are equal? Okay. Does square have all equal sides?
Yes.
What about rectangle? How many sides are equal in a rectangle?
How many sides? 3.
3.
Huh? Okay. Do you have pen and pencil?
ट्राइंगल नहीं रेक्टेंगल पूछ रही है मैं
Rectangle, beta,
हाँ
rectangle.
रेक्टेंगल में कौन सी साइड इक्वल होती है
4.
4 तो साइड होती है इक्वल के
Equal कौन सी होती है? Which two?
हाँ
Which two? कौन सी two?
Opposite sides.
Opposite sides. Very good. Okay. Do you know the name of those sides? Rectangle में जो दो sides होती हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
होता है तो मैं ध्यान से सोचूं
सोचो. You know. I know you know. You are smart kid.
क्या होती है जो लॉन्ग होती है और ऐसे होती है वो क्या होती है
Okay, I'll draw for you. See, Ayush, see on the screen. This is a rectangle. What side is this? इस लंबी
इसको
वाली
क्या
साइड को
बोलते
क्या
हैं
बोलते हैं?
Opposite.
ऑपोजिट साइड तो बोलते हैं पर उसको बोलते क्या है
What's the name of this side? Okay, length और breadth में से क्या बोलते हैं?
इसको क्या बोलते हैं
Length.
हाँ तो वही पूछ रही है
Length.
मैम
See? And what about this?
Breadth.
हाँ
Breadth. Very good. Okay.
हाँ
And
इसी की बात कर रहे थे कभी कह रहे आपको पता है आप थोड़ा सोचो क्वेश्चन को अंडरस्टैंड करो हाँ
okay, this is a square. All sides are equal in a square. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. 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 Okay? Do you have ruler with you?
No, ma'am.
है
Your hair. Not my hand.
Huh. Can you tell me what shape the ruler is in?
In
रूलर की क्या शेप है इस रूलर की क्या शेप है
ma'am, it is straight.
स्ट्रेट
No.
शेप क्या है
Shape, beta, shape.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. Okay. Now can you give me an example for square?
This is
Look around you.
triangle.
हाँ,
Yeah, this is triangle.
This is the length.
ये साइड साइड होती है साइड्स
This is the side. This is the length.
नहीं all 3 sides triangle has 3 sides that's it
In triangle, we don't have length. We only have 3 sides. Any shape with 3 sides is triangle. Any kind.
okay
Okay, any kind. Okay. Do you know what corners are?
Yes, ma'am.
How many corners are in the triangle?
3,
3. What about rectangle?
4.
4. Very good. Okay. Does circle have any corner?
No.
No corner in the circle. Okay. Very
There is
good.
no corner in this.
This is no, there are, see, check, there are corners.
कॉर्नर्स है ना सेमी सर्कल में, सर्कल में नहीं होता बट सेमी सर्कल हैज, इसमें भी है ना।
कितने corners है उसमें?
सेमी सर्कल में कितने हैं?
1.
वन।
No. Count again. 2. Very good. Semicircle has 2 corners. Okay. Now, okay, do you know, okay, if you have scale and scale pe you know there are numbers written?
Yes.
Yes. So, can you measure the numbers? Do you know how to measure?
Yes, ma'am. Till
Okay.
how much?
Okay, so then for me, make a rectangle, make a square of 4 centimeters.
Square.
कोई बात नहीं, हम इसके में देख के
Make a square of a 4 centimeter.
Ma'am, I
Done?
made.
Okay, very good. Now you have made all square of all where all the sides are 4 centimeter.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, can you add all those sides?
Yes.
Add and tell me the answer.
$16, ma'am.
16. So, when you made a square where all the sides are 4 cent 4 4 4, when you add all of them you get 16. Can you tell me what 16 is? What does this 16 mean? This means the sum of all the sides?
Yes.
Yes. Beta, when we calculate sum of all the sides, na, this is known as the perimeter. What it's known as the?
Perimeter.
Perimeter. What is perimeter? When you add all the sides. Right? Write perimeter, P-E-R-I.
Okay.
M-E-T-E-R, perimeter is equals to sum of all sides.
Done.
Done? Okay. Now, if this is a rectangle where this is 2, this is 3, what will be the perimeter for this?
Of what?
Of this rectangle. Where this is 2 centimeters and this is 3 centimeters. This side is 2, this side is 3. So what will be the perimeter?
Just 10.
10. Very good. Now, what did you do? You added length 2 times and breadth 2 times? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So, can you write it like this? Perimeter is equals to length plus length plus breadth plus breadth?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, I can write.
I can write. So, can I write L plus L as 2L?
L plus L to yes.
And similarly, B plus B will be 2B? So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2L plus 2B. Yes? Yes, Ayush?
Yes.
Arush? Yes. Okay. Chalo, let's move aage. Okay. Can you see this figure? Now let's answer some questions. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, read the question.
Which of the following shape is missing in the given picture?
Huh. Does this has triangle?
No.
No?
Triangle.
ट्रायंगल नहीं है इसमें. देखो तो आराम से देखो दोबारा.
Ma'am, there is one there are 4 diamonds.
Okay. What is this? Is this not a triangle?
Yes, it is.
So triangle is there. Is there rectangle in the given figure? Can you see the rectangle?
Yes.
Rectangle is there. See, this is square and diamonds are almost the same. Okay, let's just keep it
And
diamonds.
circle is not there.
Circle is not there. Very good. Okay, let's try one more question. Okay. Can you see this figure?
Yes.
Can you tell me how many corners are there in this figure?
Okay. From 9.
No. Count again.
6.
How 6?
From there 4.
No. See, this is the one. This is one corner. This is one corner. This is one corner. This is one. This is one. This is one.
12.
And similarly, sorry.
12.
No, beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 12 corners. Yes. Okay, now tell me how many corners are in this figure.
It is a pyramid.
Yeah, it's a pyramid. Do you know what pyramid is?
Yes. It
Okay,
is
abhi,
found in desert.
it is found in desert. Okay, abhi we'll discuss कि pyramids क्या होते हैं. Okay. Okay, now tell me how many corners are in this pyramid.
Just a second. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7.
How 7?
Ma'am, 1 on the top,
Hmm.
second on the side,
Right.
third here.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes? How many corners? See, 1 on the top
One on the top.
and 4 on the bottom. This 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 1 plus 4?
Plus 4. 5.
5. So how many corners?
5.
5 corners. Very good. Okay. Now tell me in this. Arush, do you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. How should I? We have to do it in dots, little. We
Huh.
have to count it in dots.
Sorry?
Like we have to only count its corner.
Yeah, only corners.
One, two, 5. From 7.
Okay, how many corners are on the top?
5.
5. And how many corners are in the bottom?
2.
How to?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So how many corners? 5 plus 4?
9.
9. So there are 9 corners. Okay. Let's see one more. Okay, let's say this is the shape.
One, one,
Hmm.
two, 3,
Right.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Hmm.
6,
Right.
7, 8.
Huh. Are there any more corners?
Yes, 2 more.
How it's 2 more? See, this is corner number 1. This is 2. This is 3.
Just a second.
Okay.
Ma'am, let's start.
Okay, I can't see you, Arush.
Ma'am, can you see me now?
No, yeah, now I can see you. Okay, now tell me how many corners does the shape have? This is corner number 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Hmm.
7, 8.
That's it. Where is 9? Where is 9th corner?
It is here.
Okay,
Beta,
I'll
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9
how
कौन
many
लिखा?
corners, Arush?
ये वाला जो intersect कर रहे हैं ना बेटा, this is not a corner.
This is the corner only.
Okay.
How many corners? Tell me, you just counted na? How many corners?
8.
8. हाँ तो
8.
बोलो strongly.
Very good. You know all the answers. Now, why are you so scared? Are you scared of me? No? Okay. Now you'll tell me how many corners are in this figure, okay? Just a second.
1,
Let me make it. Let me complete the figure. Just a second. Wait, let me make a new figure. Yeah. Tell me how many corners are there?
1 at the top.
Very good.
6.
कैसे
6.
बच्चे?
6?
No, 7.
How 6?
कैसे? कैसे?
See, this is corner number 1.
1,
3, 4,
5. वो तो पहले ही काउंट कर चुके हैं.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
5 corners. Very good. Okay. Okay. Arush, in the starting of class, you said you know cuboid, right? Can you give me an example of a cuboid?
Cuboid.
Yeah, cuboid.
I can make.
Make but example क्या है?
No, I need example. I know you know how to make a cuboid. Can you think you use it when you play with your friends? No. When you... Sorry.
It is 9 corners.
No.
9 corners.
Okay, make cuboid. Make cuboid. Make.
इसी से बनाओ.
Banao. Make a cuboid with pencil.
Just a second, I'll get a scale. No scale.
Arush, where did you went? Arush, can you hear me?
Looks he's dropped from the call.
Yeah, I think he's having network issue.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
ठीक है यार, मैम आपकी फोटो कहाँ गई? मैम की वॉइस नहीं आ रही.
Arush, you can't hear me?
हेलो.
Hello, yes, ma'am, I can hear you. Yes. Arush, can you hear me? Arush, can you hear me, beta? Oh, okay.
वापस रीजॉइन करूँ.
Now can you hear me?
क्या हो गया? हेलो.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Arush, you can't hear me? No, no?
बस लीव.
Okay.
Arush, can you hear me?
लीव कैसे करते हैं? हेलो.
Arush?
लेफ्ट हो गया ना बेटा. हेलो.
Yeah. Hello, can you hear us?
अब करो. Rejoin the
आओ करो.
meeting.
Yes, Arush, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. I just rejoined.
Sorry?
I rejoined.
You rejoined, no? That's fine. Now you can hear me, no? That's great. Okay. Now, are you done making the cube?
Ma'am, he doesn't know how to draw cube and he is watching video how to draw cube.
You just should have just tell me, na, that you don't know how to draw a cube, Ayush. That's so wrong. Okay, I'll tell you how to draw a cube. Okay. First, can you tell me this cube maybe needs square or rectangle?
Rectangle.
Why rectangle? Okay. Do you know dice? Do you know what dice is when you play with dice? Yes. When you play with dice, does dice of one face of dice have rectangle or square?
Square.
Square. So in cube, we use square. What do we
Square.
use for cube?
Square.
Square. So how will we draw a cube? We'll make one square. Okay. Copy.
कॉपी करो पर ये तो करो हाँ ये तो करो बेटा धीरे से
When I'm drawing, draw with me so that you know.
ये तो
Okay.
ये लो स्क्वायर
See, Arush. One square. Now draw another square like this.
देखो another square नीचे यहाँ से stop
And that's how I was even making.
Yeah, that's how you make it.
same size
Of same size. It's a
और यहाँ
square, no?
सेंटर से स्टार्ट करो यहाँ से इतना बिग यहाँ तक लेके जाओ बस यहाँ तक ये यहाँ तक
Arush, are you sleepy?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Now, we'll join all the corners with other corners.
Join.
See, this is the one corner of a square. This is the another corner of the square.
I'm like this.
yes
I can't see. Let me show me properly.
ऐसे दिखाओ
Oh, ma'am, थोड़ा सा वो screen के बाहर चला गया. हाँ, right. This is how you'll make the squares. Now, take this upper corner and join it like this.
not this no this one
Upper
ये
corner
वाला
with the
बेटा.
upper corner of the square. Okay? Other upper corner with the other upper corner like this. This.
हाँ ये join करो
Join.
बेटा
Then
corner
join corner
से
to corners.
ये corner ये है ना you will join these two अब ये वाला corner हाँ जो नीचे corner है उसको नीचे corner
हाँ, नीचे कॉर्नर को नीचे कॉर्नर से ज्वाइन करो.
वो बाद में करना फर्स्ट कंप्लीट दिस
ऐसे.
यहाँ से कॉर्नर जोड़ो इसको यस अब यहाँ से
एंड सिमिलरली इस वाले कॉर्नर को इस वाले कॉर्नर से.
It is easy.
This is easy, I know. See, cube is complete. This is a cube. Now, can you tell me how many corners are there in the cube?
how many corner
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Very good. 8 corners. And now, can you tell me how many sides are in the cube?
क्यों में साइज कितनी है
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Count again. Count again. It's not 10. It's more than 10.
It is less than 10.
No, it's more than 10.
12.
12. You are making guess? Are you making a guess or did you count it again?
Yes, I counted again.
You counted again? Okay. So, how many corners are in the cube? 8. How many sides are in the cube?
How many?
12. Very good. Okay. Now, can you tell me how? Do you know faces? Do you know what faces are?
Yes,
You know? Okay.
I know.
Sorry.
Faces of a shape.
I know.
Faces of a shape.
Shape.
Ma'am is asking faces or faces. Faces of a shape, ma'am is asking. No, ma'am, he is not aware.
Yes. Okay.
कराया है? अच्छा, okay, ma'am. कराया है? अच्छा, चलो बताओ फिर.
Okay. So, can you tell me how many faces are there in a cube?
There are 6.
6. He's saying 6.
Yes. Okay. 6. Very good. 6 faces are there in the cube. Then what about cuboid? Cuboid में कितने faces होंगे?
क्यूबॉइड में नहीं 6 बेटा. उसमें तो सिर्फ लेंथ ही लॉन्गर, बाकी तो सेम है.
Okay.
Is also 6.
It is also 6. That your mama help, no? Okay. Okay. Can you tell me the... Okay. First, let's talk about cuboid. Can you tell me the example of a cuboid? You know. You use cuboid. You see cuboid on a very regular basis in your daily life.
I have this remote.
This remote is cuboid. Okay. Now count the corners on the remote.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is a corner line. Is it corner?
No.
Corner. Arush, don't be naughty. Count the corners.
4.
No.
4 this side and 4 this side.
Mom, 8.
8. And what about the sides?
Hmm.
12.
12. Very good. Now calculate the faces.
Faces कितने हैं? Face होता है this part.
Face, beta, face.
This is face. This is face. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6. 6.
6 faces. So cube maybe we have 6 faces. Cuboid maybe we have 6 faces. Cube maybe we have 8 corners.
Also.
Yeah, this is also cube. Okay, count.
The question is something another. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. छोटे दाने होते हैं ना, छोटे दाने होते हैं जो जैसे 9 की होती है उसमें दाने बनते हैं छोटे छोटे.
कितने कॉर्नर्स हैं? क्या काउंट किया आपने? 6 फेस. Arush, speak loudly, beta. Face and faces are 6.
Yes.
Yes. So okay. Now cube में भी हमारे पास 6 faces थे. Cuboid में भी 6 faces थे.
And in television there are 8
What 8?
sides.
Sides. Sides 8 होंगी या corner 8 होंगे?
Corners.
Corners 8 होंगे. अच्छा, corners cube है या cuboid? Television cube है या cuboid है?
Which?
Television is cube or cuboid?
Rectangle.
Triangle. How it's a triangle? Television triangle कैसे है?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. तो cuboid?
Yes.
Yes. बेटा जो रेक्टेंगल से बनता है ना उसे क्यूबॉइड कहते हैं, जो स्क्वायर से बनता है उसे क्यूब कहते हैं. समझ आया?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, this
Very
is square.
You tell me, does this look like a square
I
or a
think so.
rectangle?
This is rectangle.
This is rectangle. So your book is also a cuboid?
Yes. And this
Yes.
is a cube.
Sorry?
This is a cube.
No. Rectangle से क्या बनता है? Cuboid ना?
And this is square now.
This is not a square. Okay. Are all the sides equal in this? Square तो तब होगा ना जब सारी sides equal होंगी. इसमें सारी sides equal हैं? बताओ.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Arush, all the sides equal?
Yes.
Okay. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. तो ये क्या हो गया? क्यूब. और अगर सारी साइड्स इक्वल नहीं होती तो क्या बनता?
Square.
इक्वल नहीं होती बेटा, नहीं होती.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. So, okay. So, Arush, what did you learn in today's class? You learned difference between cube and cuboid?
Cube, cuboid, faces, sides, shapes.
Corners? Okay. So, do you have any doubt?
No.
No. Did you enjoy today's class?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very good. So, okay. Do you want to ask anything from me? Do you want to ask anything? No?
I now understand it.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Can you speak a little louder?
I am now understanding.
You are now understanding?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. That's very good if you are understanding. Okay. Though, so for today, let's keep it till here only.
Okay.
Okay. I'll see you next time.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.